The next level machete offers unmatched strength and precision for all your outdoor needs. Its durable design makes cutting through tough materials easier and safer, perfect for heavy-duty tasks or survival situations. Discover how this reliable tool can elevate your experience in the wild. All the mentioned product links are in the description.
Be like magic, be like fire.
Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 30. Halfachance Fixed Blade Machete. With an 18-inch black powder-coated carbon steel blade, the parang-style machete offers excellent corrosion resistance and durability. Its football-textured handle provides a secure and comfortable grip for tough tasks. The reinforced nylon sheath allows easy and reliable carrying options during outdoor activities. Designed by Ken Onion in Kaneohe, Hawaii, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty covering defects in materials and workmanship, ensuring long-lasting performance for survival, hunting, and camping needs. Number 29. Sogfari Kukri Machete. Built for strength and versatility, the 13-inch stainless steel Kukri blade delivers powerful cutting performance along with a saw on the back for added functionality. Its textured handle offers a secure grip in any condition, and multiple lanyard holes provide extra safety during heavy use. The reinforced nylon sheath ensures easy carry and protection, making it a reliable companion for chopping, clearing, and tackling demanding outdoor challenges with confidence. Number 28. Cold Steel Kukri Machete. Crafted for powerful performance, the 13-inch carbon steel Kukri blade offers exceptional cutting capability in a compact and lightweight form. The ergonomically designed polypropylene handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip even in challenging conditions. A black anti-rust finish enhances durability, while the included Corex sheath provides safety and convenient carry. Well suited for bushcraft, camping, and demanding outdoor work, it delivers a balanced combination of strength, precision, and portability. Number 27. CRKT Chanceinhell. Off-the-grid adventures demand gear that won't quit. Engineered by a Hawaiian legend, this beast slashes through thick brush and branches like butter. Its corrosion-resistant blade means it stays sharp through wild conditions, and the football-textured grip locks into your hand even when soaked. With a reinforced nylon sheath for easy carry, it's built to handle chaos. Survival isn't just a feature, it's the whole personality. Number 26. Fiskars Machete Axe. Built for serious outdoor takedowns, this heavy-duty axe cuts clean through branches, roots, and dense brush with ease. The sharpened curve handles pull cuts like a pro, and the tip is perfect for pushing, slicing, and even chiseling when needed. Coated for low friction and rust resistance, it powers through the elements effortlessly. One-handed use? No problem. With a tough nylon sheath and an ergonomic grip, it's all about control, speed, and rugged reliability out in the wild. Number 25. Skrama 240 Machete. Built like a brute and shaped to slice with precision, this blade blends the power of an axe with the finesse of a knife. The dual-edge setup gives you close-control carving and heavy-duty chopping, all in one tool. Grip stays rock-solid thanks to its rubberized handle, even during long, sweaty sessions. Made for serious wilderness work like betoning wood, clearing trails, or building shelter, it's the kind of tool that tears through terrain like a beast unleashed. Number 24. Combat Commander Gladiator Sword. Bringing serious ancient warrior vibes, this full-tang beast means business. Its high-carbon steel blade stretches past 17 inches and ends in a wicked double-edged point that's ready to slash and stab like a gladiator unleashed. The rubberized grip won't quit, rain, mud, or sweat, and the nylon sheath makes it surprisingly easy to carry. From backyard missions to wild terrain, it's got raw power built into every inch and looks like it's born to dominate. Number 23. tops knives, the Bestia, made to crush, carve, and dominate the wild. This Kukri-style chopper packs pure muscle with its long blade and 1095 high-carbon steel build. Strength meets style thanks to the tan powder coating, while the massive handle and micarta scales offer total control and serious comfort. It's designed to chop hard and last long, even when pushing limits. With a black Kydex sheath to lock it down, it's ready to ride into the rough and never look back. Number 22. Kershaw Camp 10. Built for outdoor versatility, the 10-inch recurve blade packs serious chopping power while maintaining excellent control for finer tasks. Made from tough 65N carbon steel with a protective black coating, it's ready for heavy use and easy to maintain. The rubberized handle with a built-in guard keeps your grip secure in wet or muddy conditions. Paired with a rugged sheath for convenient carry, it's a dependable companion for camping, trail work, and tackling demanding challenges in the wild. Number 21. Japanese Nata tool. Inspired by traditional Japanese design, the straight-edged blade delivers precise, clean cuts while offering enough weight for light chopping and splitting. Crafted from high-quality steel, it holds its edge well and stands up to tough outdoor use. The comfortable wooden handle provides a natural grip, making it easy to control during extended work. Perfect for gardening, bushcraft, or campsite prep, it comes together as a reliable, versatile tool that blends precision and strength in one compact package. Number 20. CAMILLUS Carnivore MAXX. Cut through chaos with a 23-inch blade built for pure domination. Titanium bonded and full tang, it stays sharp and shrugs off rust like nothing. A sawback spine slices through limbs, and the chisel tip handles prying like a champ. It's more than just a cutter, it's survival in your grip. Designed to handle wild terrain and rugged tasks, it delivers serious function without blowing your budget. Jungle, trail, or backyard, it's locked and loaded for action. Number 19. El Salvador Machete. Built from 1075 high-carbon steel with a 3mm thick full-tang blade, it's made to power through tough outdoor tasks with lasting edge retention. The grained walnut handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, pairing style with function. A handcrafted welted leather sheath keeps it protected and easy to carry, while its traditional design shows off true Salvadoran craftsmanship. Perfect for chopping, clearing, and versatile outdoor use, it delivers strength, precision, and timeless durability in one dependable package. Number 18. Condor Rude Boy Machete. Forged from 1075 high-carbon steel, the full tang blade delivers serious cutting power and durability for demanding outdoor work. Its ergonomic walnut handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, even during long sessions in the field. Finished with a black powder coating for added protection, it's built to handle everything from chopping brush to shaping wood. A handcrafted leather sheath makes carrying simple and secure, while the rugged design brings both performance and style to any adventure. Number 17. FLISSA Machete. Built for precision and comfort, this 11-inch machete is ready to tackle yard work, bushcraft, or outdoor adventures with ease. Its shock-absorbing AirTech handle reduces vibration and keeps your grip comfortable during long tasks, while the Sharp 3 CR13 stainless steel blade slices through brush and branches effortlessly. Weighing just 0.72 pounds, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and comes with a sturdy Oxford sheath for safe storage, making it a dependable tool for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 16. Schrade Delta Kukri Machete. Ready to wreck brush and get wild, this Kukri-style beast stretches nearly 20 inches with over 13 inches of cutting edge that bites deep. Powder-coated stainless steel powers through heavy-duty work while the black safety grip keeps things locked in. Comes stacked with extras: ferro rod, sharpening stone, lanyard hole, and straps that let you carry it your way. From survival chops to campsite cleanup, it's built to back you up and keep moving forward. Number 15. Reat Machete. Blending smart design with affordability, this 17-inch blade combines a traditional machete edge with a robust sawback, making it ideal for bushcraft and backcountry tasks. The ergonomic non-slip grip provides safety and control, even in wet conditions. Perfect for clearing brush, splitting firewood, or preparing food at camp, it comes with a durable sheath and remains surprisingly lightweight for its size. Now, here's something a little different. Number 14. M48 Combat Machete Gen 2. Designed for tough missions, the machete features a full-tang 11.5-inch 3 CR13 stainless steel blade with a titanium electroplated finish and a partial sawback spine. The impact-resistant TPU handle is grooved for a secure, slip-free grip and is attached to the tang with screws. With an overall length of 17 3/4 inch, it comes with a moly belt sheath that can be worn or attached to gear. Built for durability, it's ready for years of reliable use in various applications. Number 13. WEYLAND Kukri Machete. With a full-tang, high-carbon steel blade, this machete is designed for tough tasks, like cutting trees, clearing brush, and heavy-duty yard work. It features a durable nylon moly sheath for easy attachment to a backpack or bug-out bag, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and survival situations. The handle combines sturdy plastic and rubber for a secure grip, while the 10-inch blade and 15.5-inch overall length provide excellent cutting power for various outdoor activities. Number 12. Gerber Gear Machete. Designed for compact carry and tactical use, this folding machete offers a 6.75-inch blade with a unique butterfly-style deployment that locks for stability. Built for controlled cuts, trail clearing, and camp prep, it's made from durable 420 HC steel in the USA. Equipped with a safety mechanism featuring 3 locking points, it's easy to carry without adding bulk. Perfect for light hikes or keeping handy in your truck, it combines power with convenience. Number 11. United Cutlery M48 Ops. With an overall length of 16 inches, this fixed-blade combat bowie features a 420A stainless steel blade with a titanium electroplated finish for durability. The partially serrated sawbuck design includes a spike tip, making it versatile for various tasks. Its reinforced, impact-resistant handle ensures a secure grip during use. Perfect for heavy-duty outdoor activities, it combines strength and functionality in one reliable tool. Number 10. Cold Steel Latin DGard Machete. Blending traditional military design with everyday practicality, the 21-inch blade takes inspiration from Latin American machetes, offering great slicing power and swing momentum. It features a DGard on the handle to protect your knuckles while enhancing your defense. Made from tough 1.5 carbon steel, it's both strong and agile. Ideal for clearing dense brush or handling tough situations, it's built to perform, not just cut. Number 9. K-Bar Becker. With over 13 inches of curved steel and an overall length near 19 inches, this Kukri-style blade is designed for powerful chopping. Its 20-degree edge angle ensures a sharp, durable cut, making it ideal for dense brush and tough tasks. The blade's balance is perfect for both heavy swings and precise cuts. Finished in black for a no-nonsense look, it comes with a durable polyester sheath to keep it secure and ready for any adventure. Number 8. Cold Steel, all-purpose, tactical machete. With an 18-inch curved leaf-shaped blade, this machete excels at clearing brush, cutting vines, and handling tough outdoor tasks. Its polypropylene handle is designed to secure the blade firmly during hard chopping or slashing. Made from durable 1055 carbon steel with a black anti-rust matte finish, it offers lasting protection. The machete has an overall length of 24.5 inches and weighs about 24 ounces, making it a reliable tool for survival, camping, and bushcraft. Number 7. Gerber Versafix Pro Machete. With a sleek modern design, this hybrid machete knife offers both function and durability. Its full-tang construction and high-carbon steel blade ensure strength, while the weighted tip and balanced design make it perfect for chopping, slicing, and slashing. Featuring a secure retention system for quick deployment, the over-molded handle provides a comfortable, slip-free grip during extended use. Ideal for clearing trails or handling survival tasks, it feels like an extension of your arm. Number 6. Tops Machete Chete. Ready to take your cutting power to the next level? With a massive blade designed for serious tasks, it's built to handle anything from thick brush to tough wood. The solid construction and hefty feel give you total control, making every swing count. The handle is designed for a comfortable, secure grip, even during extended use. If you're looking for a machete that'll stand up to the toughest challenges, this one is up for the job. Number 5. MTECH USA Machete. With a 25-inch overall length and 4mm blade thickness, this machete is designed for heavy-duty use. The pocket handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, making it perfect for extended tasks. It includes a durable nylon sheath for safe and convenient carrying, ideal for outdoor activities. It offers a solid, reliable performance for clearing brush or tackling tough jobs. A strong and durable tool that will serve you well on your next adventure. Number 4. Silky Nata Machete. With a 240mm blade, this Outback hatchet is designed for those who love outdoor adventures. Perfect for camping, hunting, bushcrafting, or exploring, it provides reliable performance in various tasks. Its durable design makes it a trusted companion, offering strength and precision for any outdoor challenge. Whether you're clearing wood or building shelter, it's built to handle it all. Number 3. Delacour Multi-Use Axe Machete. Built for versatility, this axe machete combines the power of an axe, saw, shovel, and vine hook in one tool. Perfect for camping, fishing, hunting, or clearing thick brush. It's designed to handle various outdoor tasks. The aggressive saw on the backside and suspension holes for easy hanging add to its functionality. Compact for hiking but durable enough for survival situations, the ergonomic grip ensures comfort, while the extended handle offers better control during use. Number 2. Gerber Broadcut Machete. Ready for the next level of chopping? With a sleek design and powerful blade, it makes clearing thick brush feel effortless. The long, durable blade cuts through wood, vines, and branches with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even on the toughest tasks, while the full-tang construction gives you the strength you need. It's built to perform, giving you everything you need for survival, camping, or any outdoor adventure. Number 1. Zombie Tools. Deuce 2. Step up your chopping game with a beast that's built to handle anything. With a hefty blade and rugged design, it cuts through thick brush and wood like it's nothing. The aggressive shape ensures maximum power on every swing, while the ergonomic grip keeps you comfortable even after long hours of use. Made for tough outdoor tasks, it's the ultimate tool to add to your collection when you need strength and precision in one package. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.